going down here? Hold on. Oh.
I don't want to stay home.
I don't know what they're doing. See, I'm smart. What y'all doing? Why can't you go up the hill?
I don't know why I couldn't go up over there. Go back up that way and go there. Go around. It's weird, you can't get it hardly in this one. Edge or over. Edge. Edge it. Are you a YouTuber now?
Huh?
Are you a YouTuber? YouTuber!
I know.
Like he could have made this. Look, where'd you go? Oh, where? I just stayed there to the way I went. Reed, go around there and do it. Yes, you can. You got the best bike you can. Oh, my freaking head. I think I hate this helmet. I need something soft to put that in. Dig in my head. What? You don't mind? I'm comfortable. They like a sock and shit up there. This sock hanging out of the Jake could probably do it. You gonna try that? Try that one.
Yeah, I ain't going down nothing.
That one right there is easier than that.
Yeah, I know.
How long you been riding?
Since I was 5.
Really? Mm-hmm. You should be professional with this. You don't ride hard, do you? Easy putting on.
Yeah.
That's like my third time ever riding that. As you can tell, very, very tell. But I also got the crappiest bike out here. They don't like, yeah, I can let this and let it go.
Yeah.
Ding, 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 and then I've got to push it back to turn it off, and it just won't stay running. Jake, just don't tear it up. Carb messed up. We're gonna have to replace the carb on that blue one, the small one. Jake, you know how much smoke you're producing? Look! Jake, look back at the smoke! Bird's where my box is. What I'm wondering is where in the hell are we going?
Jay, where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going?
If you want to do that and do what I just did, exactly what I just did, you do that or this right here, it'd be easiest. You want me to do that?
No. Yeah, I'll go right here. I didn't know y'all had to.
Yeah.
And then go up where? On that right there?
Either go down this and then you turn like a right, go right up.
Or can you just go right there?
Where?
Right. Like,
It's weird, it's like that. So you hit it, it just wants to fall backwards. It's real weird, I don't know.
alright, you wanna watch me do this for the first time?
Right there,
I'm a pro. I'm a pro. Oh, what's up right here? Okay. Why can't you go frontwards? It's up pretty much. There we go. Not the
that bad. You just had a lot of trouble on it because you wouldn't go.
Your wheel hit his wheel bottom. Did you get your nuts?
Yeah.
Where'd you get the tire or the exhaust? Yes.
Right here.
You really just got to go.
I saw.
Yeah.
Do what?
It's not bad, you just have to go.
Yeah, well, I would have died going off. Dude, listen, so we
Honestly,
tell
it's
him what I
not that
done.
bad.
Tell him what I done to that little red one
What, red one?
earlier.
Oh, he was just driving around randomly, had all his church clothes is what it looked like on it. And he was just he riding around, all of a sudden it just washes out and he goes off in this like big old swamp mud hole.
Yeah,
Good.
dude.
That's why he's got new clothes on right now.
I got different clothes on.
Dang, that's a workout, son.
Dirt bike get you in shape on it.
Nah.
Look at Jake. Jake's stronger than mine. Mine is fighting with a helmet on. What the fuck is the point? You had to hit perfectly. I had to hit perfectly in there.
Alright, Jake, where are we going now?
What'd you say?
Where are we going now?
Ow!
I gotta follow the leader. Okay.
What we're going to real nice, it ain't nothing like this. This one's just mainly the hardest part.
Oh, okay.
But I got some more hard stuff.
Oh, no.
And I'm putting all of it.
Oh, no. This ain't good. No. Good thing I'm tall. Ah, this is not. This is not fun. No.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I got it.
Ain't this cool?
Oh no. Dude, this is electric start coming clutch. Hold on. Oh. I need a bigger bike. I need a bigger bike. I just pinned it.
That's
It's not the...
That's the hardest spot, really. Besides that.
You said that like 40 times.
There's a skip right there.
Okay. Why is it keep on cutting? I think I'm going to go up. land on your back tire next time. Not your front.
Did you see me? He
I
looked,
said,
he looked over, he's like,
I said, what the hell?
let me get flat ground.
And then he fell.
Yeah, he fell and it took the attention away from me. Because I died.
Shit.
I was in like 5th gear just then.
I know, I think.
I only have 5.
Boom, you about died.
Who's this?
I act like I didn't see it. I ain't looking at it.
Are we going to your house now? Wait,
He got a,
how you about to get to there?
there's a road over by that church.
Yeah.
There's a house up in the church. You go find it. See about that? I was in like 5th gear, only have 5, and I hit it, and I didn't have no power, so I just took fucking shit.
I gotta go with it. I gotta go with it. I gotta leave at 5. I gotta leave at 5. It's 4:50.